Michael Hill, Blacksmith. I've got medieval weapons in my chest that I don't need, so out they must go. We can count this bit out. Is it started? Is it on?
It's been going for 11 seconds.
Okay. Michael Hill, Blacksmith. I've got medieval weapons in my chest that I don't need, so out they must go.
Alright.
Okay, let's leave it far.
Yeah.
This is the script. Is it on play? Is it on?
Oh, here it is.
We have access that won't cost you an arm and a leg. Well, I went and
You're a bit over to the left.
Doesn't matter. Oh, your daughter's hand in marriage and $25, I said exactly.
You said dollars.
Okay, I said it wrong. It's not supposed to be like.
It's supposed to be 100.
Yeah.
250.
Yeah. 200. Yeah. Okay. Bows, arrows. Were 250 gold. No.
Idiot.
50 gold pieces per set. Exactly.
That's the first time we said exactly, I think.
Yeah. So I've only gone through 2 weapons. Still go?
Yeah.
I just forgot to do spears.
That should be in it.
Okay.
You forgot to
Okay. Spears! Okay, swords. Knitting needles! Oh. Well, never mind about the knitting needles.
He's like bending down and look at it.
What? Don't be stuck in the dark ages! Come down to Michael Hill Jeweler, where I'm giving my prices the chop!
Jeweler.
Is it going?
Yeah.
The chop! Ah! What? No.